excuse me. Hi. Are you guys together?
No, you're real okay.
Is it possible that we're going to get it this time? I was here yesterday.
I don't know.
50-50?
50 this way. Start off with 4 p.m. Okay?
All right. When will they start giving out the bracelet?
Close to 4 p.m.
Okay.
All right?
Right. It sucks. It's raining. But I have the perfect bag. But the chair, I don't know. If I don't get this thing today, I'm going to be very pissed. Very. It is wet. At least I'm warm because I'm layered up, but it's wet AF, and this is not what I had in mind. And this is basically like for 10 seconds, really? Alright. But the line's long. I'm all the way at the end. Not 5th Avenue, I think Madison. So it starts at 5th, but it ends at Madison. So, alright guys. Wish me luck.
The other fella, okay.
Oh my God. So we're almost in. As you can see, my hair is soaking wet. It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Thank you.
Alright, I'll let them know.
All right,
Thank you.
no problem.
Good luck, guys.
You too.
Thanks. Oh my God, it's warm. So if anybody's wondering what takes so long to get your spectacles, well right now they're refilling. We're going to be here for at least another an hour. Wow. I got them 8 hours. I could never get back in time, but I got my spectacles. These were my buddies. I'm on the right side is. So these were the people that kept me sane. And your name?
Enough.
And this is the only reason why I stuck it out for this long. So to my next adventure, Gadget Trish is out.
I'm gonna be there.
Bye.